Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, English WorId. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. We're so happy you're here today.
Today is a very important lesson. We will learn how to talk to the police in English.
Yes, this is very useful. Sometimes we need help. Sometimes there is an emergency.
An emergency is when something bad happens and you need help quickly.
Right. So today, we will practice together. We will learn easy words and simple sentences.
Don't worry, everything will be slow and clear. You can do this.
Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, subscribe so you can learn more English with us. Okay, let's begin.
First, let's learn some important words. These are words you need when you talk to police.
Yes, listen carefully. We will say each word slowly. You can repeat after us.
Okay? First word, police.
Police. Say it with us. Police.
The police help us when there is a problem. Next word, H-E-L-P.
Help. Very important word. Help. Repeat after me. Help.
Good. Next word, emergency.
Emergency. An emergency is a big problem. You need help fast. Emergency. Say it. Emergency.
Excellent. Now this word, accident.
Accident. An accident is when something bad happens, like a car crash. Accident. Repeat. Accident.
Very good. Here's another one, lost.
Lost. When you don't know where you are lost. Lost. Say it. Lost.
Great. One more important word, safe.
Safe. When you are safe, you are okay. Nothing bad is happening. Safe. Repeat. Safe.
Perfect. Now let's practice these words again.
Repeat after Jack and me. Ready?
Police,
Help.
emergency,
Accident.
lost.
Safe.
Wonderful. You're doing great.
Now write in the comments. Tell us, do you feel safe in your city?
Calling for help. Okay, now let's learn how to call the police for help.
In many countries, you call a special number for emergencies. In the USA and Canada, you call 911.
In the UK, you call 999. In Europe, you call 112.
Always know the emergency number in your country. Very important.
Now, let's practice. What do you say when you call?
First, you say, I need help.
Repeat after Sarah. I need help.
Very good. You can also say, this is an emergency.
Say it with us. This is an emergency.
Excellent. Now the police will ask you questions.
They will ask, what is your emergency?
This means, what is the problem? What happened?
You can answer with simple words. Let's practice some answers.
If there is an accident, you say, there is an accident.
Repeat, there is an accident.
If you are lost, you say, I am lost.
Say it, I am lost.
If someone is hurt, you say, someone is hurt.
Repeat after me, someone is hurt.
Good. Now, the police will ask, where are you?
This is very important. You need to tell them your location.
Location means the place where you are.
You can say the street name. You can say the building name.
For example, I am on Main Street.
Repeat, I am on Main Street.
Or you can say, I am at the train station.
Say it, I am at the train station.
If you don't know where you are, you can say, I don't know where I am.
Repeat, I don't know where I am.
That's okay. The police can help you find out.
You can also look around. Look for street signs. Look for building names.
Now let's practice a full conversation. I will be the police officer. Jack will call for help.
Okay, ring ring. Hello, I need help.
What is your emergency?
There is an accident, a car accident.
Where are you?
I am on Park Street, near the coffee shop.
Okay, help is coming. Stay there.
Thank you.
Great job, Jack. Now you try. Say these sentences out loud.
I need help.
There is an accident.
I am on Main Street.
Perfect. You're learning so well.
Describing the problem. Now, let's learn how to describe the problem. This means explaining what happened.
The police need information. Information helps them help you.
Let's learn some useful sentences. First situation. You see a robbery.
A robbery is when someone steals something. They take things that are not theirs.
You can say, someone stole my bag.
Repeat. Someone stole my bag.
Or you can say, a man took my phone.
Say it. A man took my phone.
Good. The police will ask, what did he look like?
This means, can you describe the person?
You can say simple things like, he was tall.
Repeat. He was tall.
Or, she had long hair.
Say it. She had long hair.
You can also say colors. Like, he wore a blue shirt.
Repeat. He wore a blue shirt.
Now, second situation, you lost something important.
Maybe you lost your passport or your wallet.
You can say, I lost my passport.
Repeat after me. I lost my passport.
The police will ask, where did you lose it?
You can say, I lost it at the park.
Say it. I lost it at the park.
Or, I think I lost it in the taxi.
Repeat. I think I lost it in the taxi.
Very good. Now, third situation. You see someone who needs help.
Maybe someone is sick. Or someone is hurt.
You can say, a woman fell down.
Repeat. A woman fell down.
Or, a man needs a doctor.
Say it. A man needs a doctor.
The police will ask, is the person conscious?
Conscious means, is the person awake? Can they talk?
If yes, you say, yes, he is awake.
Repeat. Yes, he's awake.
If no, you say, no, she is not awake.
Say it. No, she is not awake.
Perfect. Let's practice another conversation. Jack will be the police officer. I need help.
Hello, what is your emergency?
Someone stole my bag
Where did this happen?
at the bus stop on King Street.
What did the person look like?
He was tall. He wore a black jacket.
Okay, we will help you. Please wait there.
Thank you so much.
Excellent practice, Sarah.
Now it's your turn. Practice these sentences.
Someone stole my phone.
He wore a red shirt.
I lost my wallet.
Say these sentences out loud. Practice makes perfect.
Important questions to answer. Good job. Now let's learn important questions the police might ask you.
When you talk to the police, they will ask many questions. This is normal.
They need information to help you. Let's practice the questions and answers.
First question, what is your name?
This is easy. You say your name, for example. My name is Jack.
Repeat. My name is, and say your name.
Good. Next question. Do you speak English?
You can say, yes, a little. Or, I am learning English.
Repeat. Yes, a little.
The police will understand. They will speak slowly for you.
Next question. Are you hurt?
This means, are you injured? Are you okay?
If you are okay, say, no, I am okay.
Repeat, no, I am okay.
If you are hurt, say, yes, I am hurt. Then tell them where.
For example, my arm hurts or my leg hurts.
Say it, my arm hurts.
Next question. Do you need an ambulance?
An ambulance is the car that takes sick people to the hospital.
If someone needs a doctor, quickly say, yes, please send an ambulance.
Repeat. Yes, please send an ambulance.
Very good. Next question. Can you stay where you are?
The police want you to stay in one place so they can find you.
You can say, yes, I will stay here.
Repeat. Yes, I will stay here.
Perfect. One more question. Do you have identification?
Identification means your ID card or passport, something with your name and photo.
If you have it, say, yes, I have my passport.
Repeat. Yes, I have my passport.
If you don't have it, say, no, I lost it.
Say it. No, I lost it.
That's okay. The police will still help you.
Now let's practice all these answers together. Ready?
My name is Sarah.
Yes, I speak a little English.
No, I am okay.
Yes, please send an ambulance.
Yes, I will stay here.
Yes, I have my passport.
Wonderful! You are doing so great.
Remember, the police are there to help you. Don't be afraid.
Speak slowly. Use simple words. They will understand.
Staying safe. Now let's talk about staying safe. Safety is very important.
Here are some good tips. Tips are helpful ideas.
Tip number 1, always know the emergency number in your country.
Write it in your phone. Remember it.
Tip number 2, keep your phone charged.
This means make sure your phone has battery so you can call for help.
Tip number 3, stay in safe places.
Don't go to dark places alone. Stay where there are other people.
Tip number 4, tell someone where you're going.
Tell a friend, tell your family, so people know where you are.
Tip number 5, trust your feelings.
If something feels wrong, leave. Go to a safe place.
Very important. If you feel scared or unsafe, find help.
You can go to a police station, you can go to a hotel, you can go to a store.
Ask someone, where's the police station?
Repeat, where is the police station?
People will help you. Most people are kind and helpful.
Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Don't be shy.
Now let's review everything we learned today.
Review and practice. Great job today. Let's review the important sentences.
Repeat after us. First one, I need help.
This is an emergency.
There's an accident.
I am lost.
Someone stole my bag.
I am on Main Street.
My name is... Say your name.
Yes, I am okay.
Perfect. Now here's your homework.
Homework means practice for you to do.
Practice these sentences at home. Say them out loud.
Write them in your notebook. Writing helps you remember.
Also, write in the comments. Tell us.
What is the emergency number in your country?
We want to know. Share with everyone.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
You did a wonderful job. We are so proud of you.
Remember, learning English takes time. Be patient with yourself.
Practice every day, even just a little bit.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Click the bell icon so you get notifications for new videos.
We make new videos every week to help you learn English.
Next time, we will learn how to order food in a restaurant.
That will be so fun. See you in the next video.
Stay safe, everyone.
And keep practicing your English. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.